Hey loves, it's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I achieve this natural glam makeup look. So stay tuned for the video. So I'm using the Too Faced Anti-Crease eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to prime my eyelids and use my finger to blend that out. Next, I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW35 just to give my eyelids an even color as well as to shape my brows. So I like to do my brows when I'm doing my eyeshadow, so I like to do that first. So I'm just blending out this concealer with a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to take this dense blending brush just to blend out that concealer a lot more because it is a light shade, so I want to blend it out as much as I can. Next, I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder to set that concealer so that I don't get any creasing at all and that my color goes on smoothly. I'm using the Masquerade Mini Palette by Julia and using the color Ada as my transition color. So I'm just going to pack that in my crease.
My niggas go to hell and back for it. They really don't know how to act for it. They might stab you in your back for it. Remember we was mad poor.
Next, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm taking the color Mocha and just blending that into my crease just to deepen my crease and to blend out that transition color.
Well, bitch, I'm still a nerd, I'm just a nerd in Chanel. Remember when you curved me and prayed I would fail.
Now I'm going to go in with the color Chip using a tapered blending brush. I want to define my crease a little bit more with a deeper brown. Just adding a little bit more definition to my eyeshadow look. So I'm using the color Silk Cream and a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm packing that Silk Cream color onto my lid. I'm kind of bringing it up into my crease, but then I'm going to use a tapered blending brush to blend out that harsh line. As you can see, I'm just softening up my crease some more so that it blends really nicely. Now I'm using the ARM Beauty Cosmetics Loose Glitter in the color Brown Sugar and a pigment primer, one of NYX's pigment primers, and I'm just using my finger to dab that into the middle of my crease. I'm going to take my Lock-It Kat Von D spray and a flat eyeshadow brush and just pack that glitter, focusing mainly in the middle of my lid. I don't want it all over my lid. Now I'm going to use that same flat eyeshadow brush with the color Silk Cream and just lighten up the inner corners of my eyes, just so you can clearly see the definition. As you can see, I'm putting on my lashes. If you want to see a tutorial on how I apply my lashes, just let me know and I'll do a separate video for you all.
The odds we go, I'm with a Dorothy. This brick and yellow, more like porcelain. For the fame, we right on track for it. My niggas go to hell and back for it. They really don't know how to act for it. They might stab you in your back for it. Remember we was mad poor. Rebounded like it's off the backboard. Squad been moving like a task.
And for my lips, I'm using a NYX light brown lip pencil just to outline my lips. This is probably my favorite lip liner that I always use when I'm doing this lip color or a nude lip. I love this lip liner.
Funny how it goes when you build like me. Every other rapper hating on the energy. I always wanted them to let me on their team, but now I'm right here where I'm supposed to be. Catch me in Nike on my off day.
So I'm going to use the NYX Mega Glam lip gloss in the color Miami Babe. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. I love this mauve pink color, and the lip gloss is very pigmented, so I do suggest the NYX lip gloss.
I'm trying to take this shit to no man's land. I stay on flights, I'm like a nomad.
So I'm going in with my Bath & Body Works lip gloss and Violet Mint, just dabbing a little bit on so that the lip gloss is not so thick, and then I'm adding more of the NYX gloss just to add more color that I lost. So this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you would love to see from me. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Love y'all.
Wait, ooh. Catch me in Nike on my off day.